Panibagong araw, panibagong vlog na naman tayo mga kailong. Ngayong araw na to, pupuntahan naman natin ang sikat na grotto sa San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Grotto ito, kung di ako nagkakamali, ng Mahal na Birhen ng Lourdes or Our Lady of Lourdes doon sa France. Titignan natin mga kailong kung ano nga bang historical background nito at paano napaitayo ito dito sa lungsod ng San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Samahan nyo kami mga kailong, pasukin na natin to. Located at Barrio Gaya-Gaya, City of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, started to build in 1961 and finished in 1965. This shrine, which was inaugurated on February 11, 1965, is a faithful replica of the original grotto in Lourdes, France. According to stories, year 1961, when Doña Anita Guidote Guanzon diagnosed of cancer and had barely 6 months to live. The family decided to go to Lourdes, France, on a pilgrimage. When they returned to the Philippines, she was declared by her attending physicians cured of her cancer. From then on, she decided to build the exact replica of the grotto as an act of thanksgiving. In 2004, Catholic faithfuls has been advised under the directive of the Diocese of Malolos, under His Excellency Bishop Jose Oliveros, D.D., that this place is not Catholic pilgrimage site, but a mere private property. You can even read in the document written by Bishop Oliveros, "It has been a custom of some people to visit the so-called grotto in San Jose del Monte City whenever they come to our diocese this time of the year. We wish to inform you that it is a private property and not owned and recognized as a Catholic pilgrim site." On the 11th day of February 2024, a special mass was held at the historic Our Lady of Lourdes Grotto Shrine, led by Bishop Dennis Villarojo of the Diocese of Malolos, and was initiated by the family owner to commemorate the feast day of Our Lady of Lourdes. Hundreds of parishioners attended the mass, eagerly rejoicing at the opportunity to celebrate a Catholic Mass in the revered shrine once again. On July 12, 2024, the Guanzon family officially signed over the donation of Lourdes Grotto to the Diocese of Malolos, with a canonical possession ceremony scheduled last July 20, 2024. The ceremony was led by His Excellency Most Reverend Dennis Villarojo, D.D., Bishop of the Diocese of Malolos. Officially, the Grotto of Our Lady of Lourdes is now under the care of the Diocese of Malolos.